Let's connect with our chartist. Dr. C.K. Narayan joins in. We've also got Jay Thakkar. Let's find out what exactly that outlook is on the charts. Dr. Narayan, good morning. We did see that pull back kick through. Do you think that it looks sustainable? What's the outlook on the trends on the index today? And where is it that you're finding opportunity? You've got a buy as well as a sell recommendation.
That's right. Good morning, Avan. Good morning, everybody. I have a buy and a sell recommendation mix up because the trend seems to be somewhat tentative as yet. After the big fall of Monday, I think market generally consolidated through Tuesday without really giving out any signal whether it wants to reverse back to up or continue to the downside. The SGX is also not much of a help in the morning, being somewhat listless and non-directional in its levels at the moment. News flow has been limited, so therefore we'll have to wait for the market itself to show us an indication of which way it wants to head. In that context, the derivative data might hold a slight bit of pointer because you saw the FI data in derivatives with longs being created in index futures and index calls, while they have added short puts. So they may be girding up for some upside price action, or at least that might provide a little bit of protection to the downside if there were to be attempts to go down. Bank Nifty, of course, remains the focus within the index pack and has narrowed itself into two breakout points, 23,500 to the downside, 24,200 to the top side. So those are the two levels I would watch. I think Bank Nifty would probably pave the way, and then the Nifty will follow in its wake. This is my expectation for today. So waiting for signals as it were, and therefore mixed pack of recommendation. Tata Communication got into a great move yesterday. It has yet to break out of the recent consolidation, but I think that's more when rather than if. So looking for that to happen today, targeting 575, stop loss could be about 542. I want to mix this up with a short call in Bosch. I think that's a stock headed down to about 11,850, so can short it with a stop loss place 12,700.
Okay, that's a buy on Tata Communications, a sell on Bosch. Let's find out what Jay Thakkar's view is on the markets as well. And Jay, do you sense that we will be likely to pull through on the upside, or that there are signs of a little bit of fatigue setting in? And what are your top bets this morning?
Hi, very good morning to you, Avan, and good morning to everyone. Well, Avan, I think that a bounce back was quite evident because see, after a sharp fall, generally you get a sharp bounce back. That's been generally in the past as well, and we have got that in yesterday's trading session. But then it was quite volatile. I would say that it was generally trading within that range of 11,400 to 11,550. But then we did get a bounce, and we saw that Nifty retraced almost 50% one of its Monday's fall, I would say. However, Bank Nifty failed to do that as much as Nifty did, because what happened is Bank Nifty in fact rather consolidated in the symmetrical triangular pattern, and the range got narrower and narrower throughout the day, wherein Nifty was still forming higher highs. So there was a deviation, I would say, or divergence between Nifty and Bank Nifty, wherein Bank Nifty was consolidating within this narrow band, which was quite narrower than Nifty. But overall, the bounce which we have seen coming in yesterday's trading session post Monday's fall seems to be absolutely corrective one. By that I would say, Avan, that from here on, Nifty taking off 11,800 seems to be difficult on the immediate basis. In fact, if it happens, that would be great, but doesn't seem so. The probability of one more leg down is quite high, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So stock specifically, we would see that few stocks will outperform the indices, but majority of the stocks might just fall again. So I have one buy and one sell recommendation. The first buy recommendation is on Sun Pharma. This stock seems to have clearly completed a 5-wave declining structure on the hourly charts. Now either it can be a part of the expanded flat pattern on a larger degree, or it can just be the initial leg down. In either of the case, a bounce is quite high. The probability of a bounce is quite high, so one can buy Sun Pharma for a target of 535 and 540. One can buy this with a stop loss of 512. Now I've got one sell recommendation, Avan, and that is on Tech Mahindra. I think this stock has clearly broken this uptrend line support. It started to form low tops and low bottom. The early charts, the indicators have gone into the sell mode from quite an oversold, overbought region. I would say the stock has reversed. So one can sell Tech Mahindra targeting 720 and 710 with a stop loss of 750.